often do you wash the blankets that cover us all night? Clean bedding is not just about making your sleep better. It also plays an important role in preventing allergies and skin problems. However, washing a comforter is more difficult than you think. And if you wash it incorrectly, it can damage the comforter. Today, let's dig into everything about washing your comforters. From washing methods for each type of comforter to drying methods, we'll tell you the secret to keeping your comforter fluffy. Checkpoints before washing your comforter. Check the washing label. Since each comforter has different materials and care methods, it is most important to carefully check the washing label. Stain removal. If there is a stain before washing, gently rub it with a neutral detergent in lukewarm water. Washing machine capacity. If your comforter is too full in the washing machine, it won't wash properly. If the blanket is too full in the washing machine, it will not wash properly. Make sure there is enough space. Choose a detergent. Use a neutral detergent that is suitable for the material of the comforter, and never use bleach. Drying method. Drying methods vary depending on the type of blanket. Be careful not to dry directly in the sun, as this may cause discoloration. How to wash blankets by type. Cotton blanket. Wash in cold water with a neutral detergent and dry in a well-ventilated shade. Goose down comforter. Wash in lukewarm water with a mild detergent, using the wool cycle, and dry thoroughly out of direct sunlight. Polyester comforter. Washable in warm water, tumble dry on low heat. After washing your comforter, dry completely. If you store your comforter before it is completely dry, it may become moldy. Ventilation. Store in a cool, well-ventilated place. Regular cleaning. Hang the blanket in the sun to remove dust once every 23 months. Life hack. When washing your comforter, put in 23 tennis balls to reduce wrinkles and make it fluffy. It is recommended to refrain from using fabric softener, as it can reduce the breathability of the comforter. Wash your duvet cover frequently to reduce duvet contamination. Washing your comforter isn't difficult anymore, is it? If you manage it consistently as I told you today, you will be able to enjoy the pleasure of sleeping soundly in a fluffy blanket. If you have any questions, please leave a comment.